Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in measurable goals and an audience. This shapes everything. Once done, pick one primary channel where your audience already spends time and create a minimal test campaign to learn quickly. Make sure to set tracking, UTM tags, and a conversions pixel so you can measure impact. Then, produce one focused offer and one call to action. Run the test for 7-14 days and collect engagement, traffic, and conversion signals before expanding. You now shift to consistent execution. Create a 30-day content calendar that ties topics to your goals and maps one CTA per asset. At the same time, optimize on-page SEO, titles, meta descriptions, and site speed so organic traffic can scale. For paid channels, launch tightly targeted audiences, monitor CPA versus goal, and use small budget increments to test creatives. Make sure to link email sequences to capture leads and automate follow-ups, so every visitor has a clear next step. You finish by scaling what worked. Increase budgets gradually and reallocate spend to campaigns with the best ROI. Once scaled, run a /B tests on creatives and landing pages to keep performance improving, and make sure attribution settings match your sales cycle. If things go wrong, first audit tracking. Broken pixels or mismatched UTM parameters often hide performance issues. Then check audience saturation and creative fatigue. Refresh offers or rotate audiences to restore performance quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.